Welcome. Parents, if you have any suggestions, please leave it as a comment so that I can improve myself on following videos. Good evening students. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic and also the continuation part, that is parts of the body lesson, where we already discussed about external organs. Today we are going to discuss about internal organs. Before go and see in detail, we must know what is the definition of internal organs. Internal organs means the organs which cannot see through our naked eye, which is located in our body, that is called internal organs. Let's look into the topic. So below this internal organs, we are going to see some of the organs. Okay, first one is brain. Brain, which is located in the head, it is completely covered and protected by skull. Skull means the bones which helps to cover the brain. Then next, what is the function of brain means? It helps to control the actions all over the body. If we want to do some work like walking, jumping, running, anything, we need to consider this brain function. Brain plays a major role in actions. Okay, and also brain make us to think. Okay, next we move on to lungs. We have 2 lungs. Okay, these 2 lungs help us to breathe. Breathe means it helps to inhale and exhale of the air. Usually lungs help us to separate oxygen and carbon dioxide from the air. In higher classes, you will come to know what is oxygen, what is carbon dioxide. Now you just think about it. Lungs help us to breathe. Breathe means which inhales and exhale the air. Okay. Usually lungs which is located in the chest. Okay. Next move on to heart. Heart helps to pump the blood and this blood send it to various parts of the body. Okay. This heart which is located in the chest. Next move on to stomach. Stomach is a sac-like structure which is located in the upper abdomen part. Okay. What is the function of stomach means? It helps to break down the food and make it as a digestive juice which helps to produce energy. Whatever we want to do some work, we need energy to perform particular work. Okay, this is about the stomach. Next move on to bones. Next, bone. Bone helps us to give complete shape to the body. Next, a fully grown adult has 206 bones in their body. Next move on to muscles. Muscles helps us to movement of the body parts. Okay, that's all regarding this internal body parts. Next discuss about the exercise part. Let's discuss about the match the following. First question, brain. As I told you, what is the function of brain? Is it breathe? No. Is it shape? No. Then what is the function? Brain helps us to think. Okay. Write number 1 here. This is the spelling of think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Write number 1. Okay. Next, stomach. What is the function of stomach? Is it shape? No. Is it move? No. So stomach help us to promote digestion. That is, what is digestion? Digestion means breakdown of food materials. Okay, breakdown of food material is called as digestion. So just find out where is digestion. It's here, digest. That is the answer for second question. Next, move on to lungs. What is the function of lungs? Is it think? No. Is it move? No. What is the function? I told you. Function of lungs? It is breathe. What is breathe? Breathe means inhale and exhale of the air. That process is called breathing. Breathe. Let's find out the answer. It's here. This is the spelling of breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Just write the answer number 3. Next, move on to fourth question. Bones. What is the function of bones? Is it shape? Is it breathe? What is the function of bones? Bones help us to give complete shape to the body parts. So, find out shape. It's here. What is the spelling of shape? S-H-A-P-E. This is the answer for fourth question. So, write number 4, shape. Next, move on to fifth question, muscles. What is the function of muscle? Is it digest? No. I told you earlier, what is the function of muscles? It helps us to movement of body parts. So let's find out the movement. Move, it's here. What is the spelling of move? M-O-V-E. That is the answer for fifth question. Okay? That's all about the match the following. Okay? Students, I have written few words here. Please practice at home. Okay? This is today's homework. Okay? First word, brain. Second one, think. Third, lungs. Next, breathe. Next, heart. Next, pumps. Next, blood. Next, stomach. Next, digester. Next, bones. Next, shape. And last one, muscles. Okay? These are all the words you must learn at home. Okay? Please practice at home. Thank you.